My name is Jeff Murzycki, and I'm Vice President of Engineering for Ken's Foods. My department's responsible for all capital projects, packaging equipment, processing kitchens, facility expansion, new construction. So the history of Ken's Foods and IMA started back around 2016 when we picked up some cup business and were essentially mandated to use their Hassia P500 cup fillers. Bought 4 of those, installed them, had good luck. So when they came to us with the F600 project, knowing how they performed with their cup fillers, we felt confident, at least looking at what they had to offer for pouches. IMA approached us with Hassia, looking at this relaunch of the F600, and knowing what we had for current equipment and some of the limitations, they were able to position themselves to show how their equipment would better suit our needs, specifically dosing capacity, making sure that we had much tighter tolerances on our fill, which increased yield for us, less film waste, and just general newer equipment style, right? Newer technologies compared to what we were running. Key features that ultimately drew us in after we reviewed it with sales and the ownership was certainly better yields with better fill, but also being able to have front to back registration on this pouch, which allowed for some different marketing attempts on the back. So it gave our marketing guys more freedom to design not a wallpaper style back, but rather a defined rear pouch. Early on, when Ken's was approached with this by IMA, we very quickly told the sales staff at IMA that it was really not in our budget, not what we were looking to do that year. But what they did, which is a little different, is they pulled in Hassia engineering, and they had some very, very detailed charts and descriptions of how this was going to run and drawings well ahead of time. So it gave us a higher level of confidence that what they were selling was not just a concept, but something they had already started to develop. So we currently have 5 Hassia F600s in operation across 3 of our facilities, and we're teeing up the next generation for our 4th facility. Ken's produces hundreds of different formulations, from thin products, thick products, products with particulate. We do a 1.5-inch pouch. So we do a narrow pouch, we do a 3-inch wide pouch. So we have different geometries, different formulations, different film materials, from foils to plastics. So we have quite an array of products that we run on the equipment. So in the end, the F600 improved our package in a variety of different ways. Certainly, as we discussed before with the marketing initiative, we were able to rebrand the back of the pouch, which gave our sales and marketing staff a blank canvas, which they loved. Tighter fill tolerances, tighter dosing has increased our yield. The clean in place function that we've put in, we've seen time savings as well as water and chemical savings with the way we're cleaning them now. And film waste has gone down drastically with the advanced tracking features that they offer. So the improved fill accuracy was a win in a couple different areas. One is less product waste, more accurate fill, and because of that, we're able to tighten up our pouch geometry. If you're more accurate, you don't have to have more space, more film to catch the excess. You don't want to get anything in the seals, so you typically make a larger pouch to accommodate, and we were able to reduce on every single cycle a small amount of film from that pouch. But that, coupled with a faster throughput on the equipment, has yielded some pretty high results for us. So I would recommend other companies to work with IMA. Their equipment has been robustly designed by Hassia. It is serviced well out of the Massachusetts office, and we've had great overall results with quick communication and very quick response for service needs. So the amount of effort Hassia and IMA both put into selling this project to Ken's gave us confidence to not only investigate buying one of these, but we ultimately ended up buying 5 before we even installed one. So we had bought a complete install base ready to deploy to our 4 sites without even putting one on the ground yet.